Hey everyone! Today we're tuning in with a new product you haven't seen before from Glow Recipe. You guys have been asking for a facial treatment, and we really love pushing the boundaries with ingredients and hybrid formulas with multiple benefits. So without further ado, please meet the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore-Tight Facial.
Like Christine said, this is our first ever wash-off treatment and the latest addition to the watermelon products, and we can't wait to share the inspiration for it with all of you guys.
First, I want to show you this texture. So the base of this mask is what we're calling hyaluronic clay, and it's something our labs made especially for us, something we've never seen before. The thing with traditional clay masks is that they can be super drying, irritate your skin, strip your skin, and throw it off balance, and we just don't think harsh treatments are the best way to care for your skin.
And that's what makes this treatment so special. It has a whipped hyaluronic acid infused kaolin clay base, which makes it so effective in terms of hydration and also drying out impurities and excess oil. And as with all of our other products, it's made to be effective without drying out the skin.
Last year, we launched our Watermelon Pore-Tight toner that mixes hydrating and pore clearing ingredients. And like our toner, this facial treatment has a blend of PHAs and BHAs. And during our testing phase, we've seen it not only help with active breakouts, but it evens your skin tone and helps to fade post-acne marks as well.
We worked with our labs to harness another super unique ingredient, watermelon enzymes. We talk about enzymes and how they work on your skin in one of our other videos, so feel free to check it out. But to give you the basics, enzymes are super gentle exfoliants that work to smooth out just the top layer of your skin.
Enzyme baths are a really common treatment in bathhouses over in Korea. I actually used to get them all the time when I would fly over, be jet lagged, and it would really help to just clarify, renew, and reset my skin.
This is our first ever wash-off treatment, so here's how you use it. Start with damp, freshly cleansed skin. You can apply an even layer all over or just where you need a little extra pore care. Leave it on for just 5 minutes if your skin is pretty balanced, and 2 to 3 minutes if your skin tends to be sensitive.
Because this facial is super hydrating, it won't dry down fully, so it should be easy to remove with warm water. You can also use a clean muslin cloth to wipe it away. After you wash it off, go ahead with the rest of your skincare routine.
As with most of our products, anyone can use this product based on how your skin is feeling, because we all tend to experience pore buildup at some point. But this is especially good for skin that's prone to breakouts, such as blackheads or whiteheads, or to even out skin texture.
You can use this facial anywhere from once a week to every day, but that depends on how your skin is feeling. Our skincare philosophy is to take it day by day, so check in with your skin and add this to your routine if you feel like your pores need some attention, you need to decongest, clarify blackheads, or even just need a skin reset.
And that's it. You've been asking for this, so we'll wait until you try our first ever wash-off treatment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Glow Recipe here on YouTube for more product tips and skincare education.
Get your glow on!